We're continuing with a mix of brighter, clear spells and showers. Some of the showers on the heavy side and more frequent in some parts than others.
Angie's here. Will we get as good a look at them tonight, do you think?
Possibly, but diminishing chances now. But it was certainly impressive last night, spotted as far south as Kent and Cornwall under clear skies. But what are we going to have this week? Well, thankfully, nothing as severely wet as we had at times last week, but it's still unsettled. Still showers in the forecast and fairly breezy at times. And we've had a fairly keen westerly breeze today. It's been bringing showers, especially, as you can see, to western areas. Now, that breeze becomes northwesterly tonight, so it'll continue to feed in those showers, especially to the north and west. Some of those could be heavy. May get a few longer clear spells towards the southeast. Here, one or two rural spots may dip into low single figures, but most places really holding between 5 and 7 degrees. Now, tomorrow, still breezy to begin with. Again, sunshine and showers. Now, the best of the sunshine will be towards eastern areas. The showers focusing really towards the north and west, especially in the morning. But come the afternoon, even here, they'll start to ease off, becoming more isolated. The breeze will be easing. So it's a drier, brighter end to the day. Temperatures near average at 10 to 12 degrees. It doesn't last, though. We've a weather front that's coming in for tomorrow night. That's going to bring fairly windy conditions, a band of persistent and locally heavy rain. But as you can see, it's moving through. So by the time we get into Wednesday daytime hours, well, it looks as though we're back to bright spells and blustery showers once again. Now, they'll be coming in lines. Some could be heavy and thundery. I think the focus of them, well, mostly towards the west once again. Best of the drier, brighter weather the further east you are. It's a little bit cooler there at around 9 to 11 degrees. Thursday looks as though it's going to bring more of the same bright spells, blustery showers, but things are looking a little bit more favourable for the end of the week, and at least the start of the weekend. There'll be fewer showers around and hopefully more in the way of dry, bright weather.
Angie, thank you very much. As ever, there's more news from across